you're looking at how to pronounce these words, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing words and vocabulary like that word in English that many get confused by and mispronounce, including with silent letters. It's the case here. It's just one syllable, and yeah, it's not gnaw or gnaw, no. Two different pronunciations. In British English it's said as gnaw, okay, silent G, gnaw. In American English, however, in the US, as opposed to the UK, it's usually said as gnaw, or gnaw. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support, and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.